Hello everybody, and welcome in. We're going to do a short walkthrough of my final project for my C++ class. So, essentially, this is a program. It's a console program, console application, using 5 files: a header file for a session class, C++ file, session manager, header file, and then the session manager class C++ file, and then our main file that runs the program. There's 2 bugs right now, I believe, that I need to fix, but this is just I just wanted to kind of showcase what it's supposed to do. I have 2 things I gotta fix. It's the pause and stop. It's not exactly what I want yet. I need to implement where when I stop it, I think that it's going to that's going to be the end of that person. So essentially what this program does is I want to keep track of time that I work on laptops or mobile devices, right? So I'll enter, and we can go through this. So let's go ahead and start. Let me zoom in just a little smidge. And if you see at the top there, cannot open file sessions.txt. This will be created once we save and exit. So let's go ahead and start a new session. And we'll enter the customer name, John Doe, device, laptop, and not booting. Okay. So right now, as soon as we hit enter on the last input, it starts a timer. So right now there's a timer running in the background, keeping track of this customer. Now, what I want pause to do, and it does it now, but the stop isn't fully working yet. What I want pause to do, pause will pause the session and have that timer stopped. And then when I return back to the program at a later time, I can resume that session, that pause session, and then add more time to it. When I stop a session, it's going to completely end that session. I'm no longer working on it. That's the end of it. So that's my the way I've been planning it out, but I just have to fix that right now. I just wanted to make something as fast as I could for my final project, because not that I was procrastinating, but there's a lot going on. Okay, anyway, so a little bit of time has gone by, so let's go ahead and stop that session. Right now, the functionality for stop and pause, it's not there yet, so I can stop it. I'm gonna stop it. And session 1, so ID of 1. So now we can display that one. So we have 1 session so far for 88 seconds. Let's just make another one. Start new session. Let's call this Jane Doe, phone, and crack screen. All right, and then we'll go ahead and let's do it. Let's do a pause on this one. Session 2. All right. So now the session is not running, and we're going to save and exit. So when we save and exit, if you noticed, you might not be able to see it, but I'm going to try. Hold on. Right here, I created oh, it's not picking up my cursor. No. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it created a sessions.txt file right there for us. So whenever we're done, it saves it for us. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start the program again, just to make sure that our pause functionality is working. So let's go ahead and resume session. Or actually, let's go ahead and display. 5. So this one's not done yet. So let's go ahead and resume session 2. It's going. A little bit more time. Okay, we're done with the phone. session 2, and then let's go ahead and display our sessions again, and boom, so we're good to go. So the functionality works. It's just I gotta make sure that stop is to complete and I can no longer resume, because I believe I can resume if I do resume 2. Yeah, it started again, so the timer's gonna go up from 12 seconds to whatever we finished with. So let's go ahead and stop it to 22 seconds. Alright, well that's pretty much my program. Thank you for tuning in and checking it out with me, and hearing my bug that I have in there that I'm going to be fixing. And I hope that all of you have a fantastic day. I appreciate you. And I will be tagging, well, you guys will be here, but Alphonse, awesome. Who else wanted to be tagged? Wick. I think Wick was there. Shout out to Wick. Shout out to Alphonse. Shout out to Miss Sarah. Shout out to Bob. Let's see. Who else we got? Shout out to Pete Grizzly. Shout out to MD. You know who you are, MD. Shout out to Nif Nif. They'll be tagged in here. Go ahead and give them a follow, and like this video, share it, show my little project that I built. I appreciate you. All right, thank you guys. Peace.